my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are staying safe and indoors. Now if you're new here, hi there, my name is Saili and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to create this beautiful natural and dewy makeup look. Now I'm going to use minimum amount of products for this makeup look, and I'm going to show you to do this makeup look with products which are available right with you and you need not buy any new products. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. I would like to clear one myth about this makeup look. Now, no makeup look does not mean that you're not applying any makeup on your face. It means that you're applying a lot of makeup on your face, but you are blending it or you're setting it in such a way that it does not look very unnatural or it does not look very cakey. Now I am only going to use a concealer in this makeup look. I'm not going to use any foundation, but it's totally optional if you want to use a light to medium coverage of foundation, or if you want to use a BB cream, you can definitely go for it. Now I do not have many acne scars or marks on my face. I have only dark circles and a couple of acne scars over here, so only a concealer would work for me. But if you have a skin with a lot of scars, with a lot of dark pigmentation or a lot of dark spots, you can definitely go for a color corrector first and then go for a concealer of your shade. Now for this makeup look, basically it's important to have a healthy and a glowing skin within inside. So if you haven't yet watched my skincare routine video, please go and watch that video. I'm going to link it above right here. It was a very much informational video about your skincare, about what all products are beneficial for your skin and the uses of the product. Definitely go and watch the video. And now let's get on to our makeup. The first thing that I'm going to do is conceal, and for concealer I'm using my usual Fit Me concealer. I'm going to use it just around my eyes and my dark spots that I have over my face. Now I have some acne spots over here around my eyes. So guys, I've concealed my face, I have concealed my under eyes, my over eyes and my dark and pigmentation spots. Now I'm going to use a very little amount of powder to set this concealer so that I do not form any creases around my eyes. I usually form a lot of creases around my eyes, under my eyes especially. Now the key here is to use minimum amount of powder to set your base, because you do not want your base to look very powdery and you want your natural skin to see through. So use minimum amount of product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a powder on my brush and I'm just going to dab it around my under eyes and my face, and I'll let it sit there for a few seconds and I'll wipe off the excess. The excess amount of powder from my face so that the base looks as natural as it can. Now I don't really like when the face looks really one-toned and there's no definition to your face. So I'm going to use a very little amount of bronzer. Now again, this is totally optional. If you feel like using a bronzer, you can, or if you want to skip it, you can just skip it. I like using bronzer. I'm using very little amount of bronzer just to give a little bit depth. So next I'm going to go for my brows, and for my eyebrows I'm using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Now again, I'm not going to make it a very dark eyebrow, or I'm not going to make it very thick. I'm just going to fill in my gaps. I have gaps on the both of my eyebrows, and I'm just going to fill in with this. Now I'm going to go with the same bronzer, and I'm going to just apply a little bit on my eyelids just to give it a little bit of depth. So I'm taking the bronzer and I'm just applying very little amount of it on my. I'm applying only on my crease, above my crease. If you see, I'm not going to apply it over here. I'm just. Now that's it for the eyeshadow. No, we won't apply any highlighter or for our brows. We won't apply any eyeshadow under on this side of our lids. We'll just keep it like this. Now if you want, you can definitely go for an eyeliner. I am not going to go for an eyeliner today. I'll go with a very little bit of brown bronzer again, and just create a wing line over here. I'm taking the same bronze, I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit and create a very fine line over here, just to give my eyes a bit of lift. You see, it instantly lifts the eye. Step is very optional, but you can definitely apply a blush, or you can skip it, it's on you. But I like to complete any makeup look with a blush. It just instantly brightens and refreshes my face, I feel. So today I'm not going to use a powdered blush. I'm going to use a lipstick just to give it a very natural look. I don't want the makeup overall to be very powdery, so I'm just going to take one dot of this lipstick and I'm just going to apply and immediately blend it. Now if you have a cream blush, you can definitely go for a cream blush. I wanted to show this for people who do not have cream blush. You can definitely go for a lipstick as well. So whenever you're using a lipstick or a cream blush, always remember that you have to blend it immediately, or it tends to dry out and you will end up having patches over your cheekbones. It is very important to blend the cream blush or a lipstick very quickly. So do you see how much difference a little blush can bring to your face? My face looks so fresh, and it looks just complete now. Now the next step is again optional. You can skip a highlighter, you can use it. I am not going to use it. I do not really want glitters on my face, so I'm not going to use a highlighter today. Yeah, I would rather skip a highlighter. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to go with a very neutral shade. I'm going with a nude shade. This is from Color Bar in the shade Bear 58. So this is a very neutral shade of nude. I love this shade. It is great for a everyday look. Now there's only one last step and we have completed this look, and the one last step is applying a mascara, because since we are not applying an eyeliner or a kajal for this look, a mascara is very important. So we are just going to apply a very little amount of mascara. Now I'm using this mascara which is not very it does not give very heavy look to your lashes. It gives just a natural look. This is from Wet n Wild. You need to apply very little bit of mascara over here, because you do not want the natural look of this makeup to go away just by using a very thick or a mascara which basically gives your eyes make look very thick, I think, if that's right. But yeah, this is the complete look. I'll just do my hair and I'll get back. So this is it, guys. You can see the makeup look has turned out so well. It is looking very natural, yet it is looking very stunning. Now this look is extremely wearable. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to college, you can wear it to any function as well, and it looks very dewy even after you're not using any highlighter. You have avoided using glitter on your face, you're not using any eyeshadow, you're using just a bronzer for your eyeshadow, and yet it is giving you a definition to your eyes. I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you're liking my content, and if you are doing, please do subscribe to my channel. It will just take you 1 second to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. There is some amazing new content coming up there as well. So until we meet for the next time, guys, stay beautiful, stay happy, and most importantly, stay safe.